Hello guys, so I'm going to showcase an interesting indicator in this video. So basically the indicator is called NC CSV Exporter, and it will allow you to export any plots. Okay, so whenever I click on the chart, I can see this menu here is added, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few other indicators. So for example, I'm going to add an EMA and let's say I'm going to add an or something that has two plots. So like a stochastic. There you go. So we can see that this has a D and a K, and this has an EMA. So when I come back to the menu, you can see I can export EMA. I can also export either D or the K of the stochastic. So inside the indicator parameters, we are able to set the path, okay, and the file name for the export. And let's try and export. So I'm going to export D. Okay, so right after that, we get a values indicator, okay, with a timestamp and a value next to each timestamp. So if I edit with this notepad, for example, there's quite a few values. So here's the value, and here's the date, okay, and all the values have been exported successfully. Okay guys, so the main takeaway from this indicator, obviously, well, if you need to be able to export CSVs and indicator data for your further research in Excel, for example, here you go, this product is ready. And also I provide the source code, which is very interesting because it was quite challenging to actually do this menu, like a nesting menu with all this get the indicator plots of different indicators using another indicator. So that's all code reviewed as well. So hope you enjoyed this product. Thank you very much.